Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome. Check it out. We're on Highway 77. We're heading north. We're getting out of Tucson. We're going to head up to the mountains, see some scenery. It was becoming way too much to try to find camping down there. It was just tourist city. To head any farther south right now ain't gonna happen, but guess what? We'll go back down there a little later in the spring. But for now, I need some scenery, not so many people, and look at that. We got mountains straight ahead. Yay. This is supposed to be one scenic byway here all the way up to the globe, and guess what? When we get to globe, we got some treats. Gonna get to explore some old haunted buildings, all kinds of good stuff. Alright, here's a little pit stop I need to make. It's called Winkelman. Little town here. We're gonna stay on 77 heading north. But let's pull in here. Check out this little town. And they got a gas station. That's what I need. Yay. Let's drive back in first. See what we can see. Small towns and back roads. Looks like a big mining town though. You see a lot of areas that's been mined. Tons of trucks. Well, this sleepy little town, huh? Whoa, here goes a big guy. Now, according to the phone here, this is also another little town right here next to it called Hayden. Well, look at this. Now we're entering Hayden. Cool. Alright, well, let me find a place to turn around. See, there you can really see the effects from mining. Look at that. That is massive. These are some big time mines. I think they go for copper up here, if I'm not mistaken. Probably other... Oh, look at this little park here. Let me pull in a sec. We'll check it out. I don't know what this was. It's a little park now. Might have been a gas station or something. Wow, look at that. Railroad tracks. Your cacti as far as you can see. And a big old strip mine up there, huh? Cool. I guess the best part yet, we're going to see some really scenic highway from here all the way up to Globe. Pretty decent day, a little overcast. Up here it's a little bit chilly. But there you go. This is what a small town looks like. In the back roads of Arizona. This is also considered the White Mountains, I believe. Look at the fire that ran through here. They got a lot of fire damage. You know, a year or so ago, they had massive fires up here. Huh. That's too bad. Junkyard right in town. Big old stack. They must have a smelter up there or something. Cool. Well, need to go top off with some fuel. Grab a cup of coffee, and then we're gonna hit the road. I think we're less than 40 miles up the globe. Local car parts. Everyone knows everyone here. Look at the buildings, all brick. Kind of closed down a little bit, huh? Well, probably all goes off the mine. How good the mine's doing is how good the town does. Look at this, we're in right back into Winkelman. Just left Hayden, back in Winkelman, sorry. All right, let me grab some fuel, and we're gonna head up to Globe. Alrighty, all fueled up. You can see burnt trees. Look at this, right off the highway here. They must have had a massive fire for it to burn along the road, all the way down through that, looks like big wash there. Huh. That's fairly recent. I mean, some of the vegetation's come back, but that fire's not that old. Yeah, it's a big old stack. Look how tall that thing is. That sign back there said 39 miles. But I think this is where the scenic part starts taking place. There's some actual recreation areas up through here too that you can boondock and camp. Big old motorhome going through there. Cool. Well, look at the pile. Wow. That is huge. That's a mountain. Well, sit back, enjoy the ride. I see some yellow flowers. I see a little bit of color. You know, pretty soon in April, we're going to chase some spring colors. Looks like a canyon we're going to drive through here. Cool. Absolutely beautiful. There's a look back at Winkelman. Little river runs through here. All the vegetation. We're up in elevation a little bit here. We got to be, what, 2,500 to 3,000 feet? Somewhere in there. Look at those formations and the colors. Just full of copper and minerals, what they've been mining. There's Highway 70. Oh, look at that. There's where we're heading. Get ready for some scenic views up through there, huh? Cool. All right, here we go. This is Highway 77 North, heading up to Globe. Yeah, I was invited by email by a viewer named Nick. Said, hey Russ, get on up here to Globe. You won't believe what's up here. And it was perfect timing because I was getting a little frustrated down there around Tucson, all the people. It was just too busy of a time to be exploring around down there, for me anyway. You know RVerTV, it's all about back roads and small towns, so here we go. Look at all the sorors. I mean, they're absolutely everywhere. This entire region of Arizona is just covered in them. Beautiful. And more burnt areas. Look at the amount of devastation. You know, this isn't they don't have tall trees here, but those shrubs sure burnt. All the base of the cactus are burnt, but they're still green. They survived it. Pretty cool. Oh, look at the mountains. Yay. We're climbing too. We're going up the elevation. Oh, look at this. That's really burnt through here. That's too bad. But I know some of them fires they've had here in Arizona, they last all summer long. They just can't get a handle on them. We're definitely climbing up an elevation. "11 miles to Highway 70. That's where we turn off for Globe. As soon as I find a place to pull off, I'm going to. Bingo, found it. Look at this. This is called El Capitan Pass. That's looking down towards Globe, down through there. Absolutely beautiful here. Little picnic area. Truckers can check their brakes here. There's a storyboard up here. Go check that out. 77's a good road. Not bad at all. Good for RVing. Wow, look at this rock over here. Look at this thing. Huh. I'll be darned. See, there's more fire. Look at that. Wow. Sad. But part of Mother Nature, too. It'll grow back. Here's this marker up here. We'll see what it says. A little chilly here. I had to put my jacket on. It's probably like 50 degrees. El Capitan Pass. It was used, oh wow, way back. 1800s. I'll be darned. Hard to read. All the graffiti on it. Why they do that, I don't know. Anyway, welcome to El Capitan Pass. Absolutely gorgeous up here. Well, it's all downhill from now. Yeah, I don't see as much of the fire damage on this side. That's a huge area. I mean, we drove over 40, 50 miles to see that kind of damage. Shows how big those fires get. Now we got some blue sky. Yeah, it was chilly up in that pass. We probably had to been about 3 or maybe 4,000 feet. All right, I think we're almost up here to Highway 70. According to the phone here, there's off-highway area for four-wheeling. We gotta stop and check that out. It's called the Pipeline OHV. Oh yeah, look at the trails off to the left there. Ooh, all kinds of them. We gotta definitely check this out. Let me pull over here a second. Wow, look at the trails. There's Globe. We're here. You know, we're close to Indian Reservation too. I believe this direction. I know there's a casino. I might go down there and camp for the night. As far as you can see, there's the mountains. That's where we just came through, El Capitan Pass. But look at the trails. They go way back in there. How fun. This is big time RVing country. This is RV friendly for sure. Well, cool. I'm going to go figure out a place to spend the night. Tomorrow, we're going to go explore Globe. Look for a haunted courthouse, all kinds of good stuff. The journey continues. Talk soon.